Metamorphic rocks and the rock cycle. Circle the correct answer A, B, or C. Metamorphic rocks are formed when the existing rocks are changed by heat and pressure. Metamorphic rocks are very hard and in layers. In the rock cycle, different processes are shown by arrows and labels. Draw lines between each rock and the metamorphic rock it changes into. Limestone changes into marble. Sandstone changes into quartzite. Shale changes into slate, and granite changes into gneiss. Here's a flow chart. Is rock crystalline? There are two options, yes or no. If the rock is crystalline, you have to ask this question about whether the rock have a banded appearance or not. Banded means it has certain stripes on it. If it has stripes, then it is a metamorphic rock. If it does not have the banded appearance, then it is an igneous rock. If the rock is not crystalline, then it's a sedimentary rock. Draw a rock cycle to describe the history of a piece of rock over the last 350 million years. The rock begins and ends as a granite. All of these words in your drawing must be included. Igneous rock, which is a granite, undergoes certain weather conditions such as weathering, erosion, transportation, and deposition on seabed, which is sedimentation, to form a sedimentary rock called sandstone. Then it undergoes burial and heat pressure to form a metamorphic rock that is quartzite. Then the quartzite is melted and then cooled to form a granite again.